My name is Faith. Yes, I'm Faith. And I'm here with Lynn Summers. She's blown up all over social media as the certified financial advisor from Australia. So hi Lynn, thank you for being with us on the show. Lynn, you are a certified financial advisor and I've seen a few clips of you. You're also a director of stock course, am I right?
That's correct. Yes.
Okay. Do you still continue trading?
Of course, yes.
Okay. And for your investors, you have opened up the digital currency market as well?
I have.
Okay. Can you tell us a bit about your brief entry into UTokens as a digital currency?
Well, for the last probably 5 or 6 years, I've been very interested in the digital cryptocurrency world, being involved in Bitcoin. When I heard about UToken took me by storm, and I got very excited and interested in it because I saw that it was the first digital currency. Now there's a difference between digital and crypto. With Bitcoin is all about mining on computers. UToken was all about having a reserve. Now that really got me really excited is because I know what's happening with the fiat currencies all around the world, especially being involved as a US investor on the US market. The US dollar, as we know, doesn't have a reserve anymore. It's actually issued and backed by debt. So these digital currencies, I know they are the future, the way of the future. It's a brand new up-and-coming industry. Not a lot of people really understand it, but the people on the ground floor that are investors do. UToken is futuristic. They have something that I know are leading the way in the future and financially. And I'm really excited to be on the ground floor in being involved in this company because it is an absolutely huge investment. And not just here for the explosion that I've seen happen here in Asia, but to the rest of the Western world. The Western world, you're going to get a big shock. You have no idea on the movement over here in Asia how powerful this strong and how powerful this is and how strong it is. And it's about to go, I see the big picture in the next 1 to 2 years, it's going to be all over the world. Probably much bigger than Bitcoin. It's used much more as a currency, as a form of shop to shop, person to person, because the true backing really comes, I think, now down to something that is solid. With the investments that UToken have in the reserve, we're not just talking about, being just backed by gold, but we're also talking about being backed by investments, hard assets. And this is something that Warren Buffett taught me about. If you know a little bit about the greatest investor of the world, he's also invested into hard assets, railway, water, income-producing assets. And that's why I'm so excited to be involved in UToken and UFUN as a company. I just see an amazing future, and I see an absolutely great investment for us in Australia as well.
Excellent. I hope you caught that part of what you said. Income-producing assets, a company that invests in such things. And interestingly, we are here on the evening of Unispace getting pre-listed on the Euronext. How important is it that an Asian company enters the European stock market, according to you?
Absolutely important, and I'm excited that it's the first Asian company entering the Euronext. That breaks the way for obviously a lot of more companies here in Asia, but to actually be involved in an IPO on the ground floor, I go back to Alibaba, and I would have loved to have been involved and bought shares of Alibaba on the ground floor pre-IPO. It's very hard to get involved in that. And of course, as we know, Alibaba listed at $80 a share. There's a lot of money to be made in pre-IPO companies. I'm excited about Unispace as well, coming to the European market. Very excited.
Okay, so that concludes our short interview. Thank you so much, Lynn Summers. We're going to make big money. I hope you guys can come and see the potential. Join us, make money happen. We're making it happen.
We are.